A straightforward toilet replacement can usually be done with basic hand tools and careful attention to sealing and flange alignment. To install a toilet yourself, you will need a clear workspace, a new wax or rubber flange seal, and the right approach to avoid leaks and instability. Shut off the water, drain the tank and bowl completely by flushing and using a sponge to remove residual water so the fixture is light and dry to handle. Remove the old toilet by unscrewing the closet bolts and lifting straight up to avoid damaging the flange. And inspect the flange for cracks, rust, or corrosion that would require replacement or a repair ring. Measure the rough in distance from the wall to the center of the flange, so you buy a toilet that fits the existing plumbing and does not force the tank against the wall. When setting the new toilet, center the seal on the flange or place the wax ring on the horn of the toilet, depending on the ring type. Lower the bowl straight down without rocking to compress the seal evenly, and hand tighten the bolts, then alternate quarter turns with a wrench to avoid cracking the porcelain. Reconnect the supply line, fill the tank and check for leaks around the base and supply connections, and test flush cycles while watching the seal and bolts for any movement. If you see seepage, replace the seal and retighten bolts to proper snugness. For repairs where the flange is too low or damaged, use a flange extender or a stainless steel repair ring and secure it to the subfloor so the seal has solid support and the toilet sits level. The most common mistake is over-tightening the closet bolts, which can crack the toilet base, so always tighten slowly in small increments and stop when the bowl is snug and does not rock. A second issue is reusing an old wax ring, which often leads to leaks. So replace the ring every time and choose a rubber or wax type compatible with your flange height if you need extra thickness. A third problem is ignoring a damaged flange or poor subfloor support, which causes movement and seal failure, and the fix is to lift the floor as needed to repair rot or install a flange repair kit to create a stable mounting surface. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options related to toilet replacement and other plumbing work. We also help contractors find work and connect with customers. And our site includes a discussion community where we and other users share tips and experiences.